To me, the Innovation Office seems to be something of a portal to the other expertise in the MHRA.
I've learned it's much better to meet the regulators early and often.
Where the MHRA could be very, very useful is to help guide us through the regulations.
The Innovation Office was really open to what we were saying.
That feeling of being supported is a really positive one.
Extremely open. They highlighted many challenges in the process, and legitimately so, but equally balanced that out with actually working with us over the course of several meetings to design a package of work.
I worked with the MHRA on a number of clinical trials. The advice was really helpful because it indicated the plans we had were achievable.
What was really useful is that where they detected perhaps a gap in our knowledge, they spent the time to maybe break apart and literally on a whiteboard work through some basic principles of certain aspects of the regulations before carrying on with the rest of the discussion.
They're really pragmatic, and they can see the world from our point of view. They understand what we're trying to do, and we're both trying to help patients.
It's generally been with uncertainty that we've come to the MHRA, and I've always walked away feeling more confident and less uncertain.
It was really surprising to find out it was free. Very nice, because we were just a start-up and money was really important to us at that stage of the game.
They did it all for us, really. It was great. Our application was submitted online. It was approved, and actually they assembled the panel of experts for us.
They said, well, let me just check. And then 5 minutes later I was talking to one of the regulators who sits here at the Innovation Office about my problem.
I'd say build a package of work that you've done now and go and see them as soon as you can before you invest any more time or money you can't really afford to fail.
Don't be afraid to contact the Innovation Office right at the very start, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries, because I think that's the role of the Innovation Office, to give you advice on where the boundaries actually are.